Welcome for you, my valued customers in this course. Pharmacos Utopia, Pharmacokinetic Pharmacodynamic Design. My name is Maram Abdel Nasser Tajtaya. I am a Palestinian pharmacist, American Studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. All I can say, congratulations for having this chance, and I'm really so proud to be with you. This course is appropriate for people from all over the world who have an interest in the following approaches: pharmaceuticals, drug metabolism, pharmacokinetics, holism in science, dynamical modeling, clinical pharmacology, clinical toxicology, pathophysiology, chemistry, drug invention, molecular biology, translational medicine, medical ethics, and cheminformatics. And this course contains 40 resources. Prosperity rates for medications during clinical improvement stay low despite the individual genome scheme, and another molecular biology tracks having identified a great number of possible modern medication goals. Dynamical modeling, as well called mechanistic modeling, can be seen as translations of recognized pathway maps into mathematical shape. A holistic track harmonizes with the totality scene, since totality encourages the feeling of uncompleteness or inability to split up a thing into smaller things. In order to encourage the understanding of the notion of holism, it is essential to identify the consequences, attributes, and antecedents over a prolonged period of time. Anyway, the biological cell, an idealistic self-included unit of main biological significance, is an extremely complicated machine that can be perceived at several standards. A higher standard perspective of the whole cell demands incorporation of diverse merits into coherent, biologically significative depictions. We can view then that the model to be educated from Utopia concerning health is comparatively straightforward, whereas pre-moderns may not have all the medical technologies and awareness we own today. In pharmacokinetic pharmacodynamic designing, computer simulation comprises the usage of statistical models to foresee the performance and behavior of the biological framework depicted by the model. Pharmacos Utopia believe that the substantial perfection and the finish of medication fluctuations usually drives a utopian pharmacist to recognize the foundation of the utopian pharmaceutical community as the ultimate outcome of a chain of technological actions, biomedical and pharmaceutical sciences completely turned to the accomplished of the final perfection. Anyway, I'd like to compare pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic expressions, discussing and outlining their relative differences and similarities, not merely in theoretical expressions, but also in connection to some of the existing improvements in technological activities, biomedical and pharmaceutical sciences. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course or try the free preview if you want to explore further.